Tell them to check my file. Bad girl from me born, like a child. Rich badness, you know, see the Kyle. Bitch, take away yourself when you see me live. Better than them.
Only1Empo once today is going to be on dancehall artist Dangel, and she'd like the vloggers to know to get off her back. She didn't know that she doesn't have a say to say what she likes since Beenie Man and KYRTSAL has announced their split. So this is what Dangel has to say.
I want to meet you a while ago. You know, say me a girl, me to talk a lot, but when I come talking, me I got to talk the things them. When I know that don't. Me just get to understand say my name the all over social media and every blood clot blogger have my name. I say me I try to dip up in the things and me I try to get involved in the things that I don't know about. Me come out and me talk my truth about me and my single mother blood clot self. So I never did talk it. Me been a talk my truth. But my single mother self, me been a talk my truth weeks now. I put out my video and I twist my video now I say, oh me I try to get involved in the people thing and you know look good and this moving the blood clot and go. All the bloggers and everybody will take me name out on the blood clot, dirty nasty mouth. Me back broad the blood clot. I show me no love talk and lift up my mouth. Me back very broad. I mean I talk my truth as a single mother. I only gonna use it in another story. I say, oh God, one and the woman just left. I know she'll come with pitney business. Look how long me I deal with that. Wanna take my name out on a nasty blood clot. Me never know my mouth lack of me can't talk my life and my truth as a mother when me a blood clot go through. Oh me get dragged in between of something here. Me know I'm gonna try find a way for drag me in that something here, which me not mind, I'm gonna give a fuck. But don't twist my story. Don't twist up my thing and try to drop me in the mix. Like I'm not response to nobody and them relationship or them relation boat or what the blood clot was happening, because when me I go through my problem and my situation, me go through that by myself. You understand? So me I talk my truth. I wanna go say, oh me I try to get involved. I don't look good. Oh the blood clot look good. Me I talk my truth and I stand up as a mother. As blood clot single mother too. I can't me never talk nothing. Me never talk nothing. I drive and I talk. Suppose me never talk. I'm not gonna do that. I talk overall. I defend women, we are single mothers. I don't want to come drop down my throat. Oh, no one drop down my throat because me a weak fence. Me a weak fence. I'm never gonna do one thing. Take me name out on a dirty nasty mouth. I'm gonna respond to people and them problem.